Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to set/change the date and time in an Audi A6 C7. Turn on the ignition by pressing start without pressing the brake. Next to the joystick, press the top left button. Confirm by clicking the center of the wheel on the joystick. Set the correct hour by turning the joystick wheel. Confirm with the center of the wheel. By turning the joystick, set the correct minute and confirm with the center of the wheel. Done. The time is set and you can see it on both the navigation and the dashboard. That's it. Subscribe to the channel for more.